Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will discuss the concept of equal and identical functions. So, suppose that in a function, if your domain is same, this is the first condition, then range same and also the graph. Okay, so if two functions have same domain, same range, and same graph, then only you can consider those functions to be equal and identical functions. For example, try to understand this one. If you will observe, you guys will find out that, sir, I can eliminate x, and you will write x here, f of x is x, and g of x is x. Correct? So you will feel that both functions are same only. No. Try to understand the domain of this function. Domain of this function is minus infinity to plus infinity. Now look at the domain of this function. You are not supposed to find out domain over here. You should find out domain of the question, not after manipulation. So if you'll observe there, you cannot put x equals to 0. But here x equals to 0 is a valid thing. The graph will look alike, but at x equals to 0, this will be missing. It is not defined. So given two functions are not equal and identical function. I hope this question is clear. Now look at this one. Here also, if you'll observe now, you guys will feel that, sir, I can write down this thing. If anything is in the power of argument of log, it comes at coefficient. So 2 ln x. And sir, here also 2 ln x. So both are same, sir. So again, I am telling you, you are not allowed to change the question. From here only try to find out the domain. If you will look at here domain is what? Minus infinity to plus infinity, except x equals to 0. Here domain is this. X can be everything or anything except 0. But here if you'll observe, the domain is 0 to infinity, both open. Okay, so domain is missing. Here also you can say that these two functions are not equal and identical. Okay, I hope this thing is clear. Now let's take one more example. Here if you will observe now, again you will feel that, sir, look at this now, your g of x is equal to cosec x only. So almost the same. Now look at the domain. The range would be the same, but means the graph will be the same, but look at here domain. If you will observe, we will have a problem at which this person becomes 0. So sine becomes 0 at 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi. So at n pi, it is not defined. Means I can say that x not equal to n pi. N is an integer. Here also if you'll observe, cosec is not defined for 0, for pi, for 2 pi, for minus pi. So it is clear the domain is same and they look alike. If domain is same and they look alike, so their range will be also same and their graph will also be the same. Hence, these two functions are equal and identical. I hope this thing is clear. Let's take one more example. Now, look at here. If you will observe the domain, try to understand. Here, if you will observe x equals to 0 is a valid thing. But here if you will put x as 0, x0, it becomes infinity. है ना, it is not defined at x equals to 0. So this is x not equal to 0 and this is x is equals to 0. So it is valid at x equals to 0, it is invalid at x equals to 0. Correct na? Therefore domain is different. So no, it is not equal and identical function. Let's take one more example. Look at here. If you will observe over here, here both look alike. You can take argument over here and ln e is 1 only. Here also if anything is in the like a power log b base a, it is ln x, so it is log base e x, so e same, so answer will become x only. Okay, so graph will like the range will be almost same, but look at here, try to understand. Here if you'll observe now, here x can take any value, means domain is minus infinity to plus infinity. But look at here, here you cannot put negative number. So can I say that x belongs to 0 to infinity? So domain is different. So if domain is different, the graph will be different. Correct? Therefore, I can say that no, it is not equal and identical function. Is it okay? Now, take one more example. Look at here. If you will observe here, you guys can write f of x as root over 2 sine square x upon 2. So you will feel that, sir, remove this and this. And it is square root. This is square. So sine will come outside. No, sine will not come outside. Mod sine will come outside. Okay, so f of x becomes mod sine x, g of x becomes sine x. Here domain is everything, here also domain is everything, but look at here. Here the output will be positive always, here the output will be positive, negative, both. So again both functions are different. No, it is not equal and identical function. I hope these examples are clear to you guys, and I hope you guys can handle similar situations. If you guys are finding these sessions to be interesting and fruitful, kindly do subscribe because it takes nothing, but it motivates us a lot in great extents. So we need your support. Please continue with us. See you guys in the next session of Mathflix.